Today's vlog is one of the most interesting ones you've ever watched. This is Ramsey giving you the headlines. So this guy coming almost knocked down the tripod. The youth of nowadays are this is behind the scenes, so it's okay. They are stuck on their phones. Please, if you are like that, make sure to put a stop to it. So stay tuned, stay glued, don't go anywhere till the video ends, and enjoy. Make sure you get a popcorn or something, because this video is going to be interesting. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ramsey Frankenstein, back again with another video. So in today's video, as you can see, my face looks rusty, crispy. So I'm going to make a day in my life video. Yeah. So stay tuned, stay connected, and be with me. Make sure you watch full video. This morning I just have to get some breakfast. So let's go get some bread. Hey, actually, no. I have to brush my teeth. Yeah. So this is my breakfast. Yeah, breakfast in bed. So yeah. So currently it's 2:40. It's 2:40, and I live a boring life. I've been either sleeping, waking up, eating, sleeping, waking up, eating. But today I don't want us to do that, so I'm thinking of either going to the beach with you guys, or yeah, so you're going to do something nice, something active. Yeah, so let's get ready and go. Okay. So I know I said let's get ready to go to the beach, but I also thought it twice. Why don't we just go through our phones and then, why do I keep saying our? My phone, reply some chats, and then listen to some solid music. And then later, prepare for the beach. Procrastination, they say, is the thief of time. So this is me acting all lazy, as I always do, wasting time on my phone. And I said, no, let's put a stop to it. So I did. So guys, today's wave is a different thing altogether. The way the thing is coming, not yet. Yay! Sabro! So yeah, currently I'm at the shop. Of course, where else should I be? And over there you can see there are canoes. At the moment my tripod is messing up. It was supposed to stand like this, like this way. I say, leave me, let me do what I want to do. I can't do what you want to do, baby. You are hurting me. You are hurting me.
I think Frederick might be no see you. You are hurting me. You are hurting me. I don't like how you are doing.
Creating content.
So are you with your friends?
I'm here.
Yeah. Wow.
How are you? You came today. Why did you come today? I thought they said you are closing down. Okay, wait, pause. The thing is, you see when you are shy, feeling awkward, and you don't want to be with people, so you decide to go alone and create your content, and somebody will come and do a hunch and come and sit beside you. So that was it. A friend saw me, wanted to say hi, and he said hi, and I was expecting him to say hi and leave. But he kept on talking and talking and talking. So throughout the video, you're going to see more of him. So yeah, it was awkward, but you know, what can I do? I couldn't sack him. So enjoy the rest of the video. I dey wait for my owner.
Breakups are national game. Yeah, you don't touch everybody. You don't touch my guy. I dey wait for my owner.
No man. What you want to do? Tell me.
What the guy is doing?
I do vibration.
So this is quite embarrassing. I was trying to dance with a TikTok trend where you fire the bum bum bum, the way that you shake it, the bum bum bum. But no matter how hard I was trying, it wasn't working. So I had to just stop embarrassing myself. Yeah. So I did take some pictures, and yeah, thank you for watching. Actually, this is how they turned out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you watched up to this point, thank you very much. See you in my next video.